Alright, I would like to place up this end of the rebar right into this face of the rebar. Alright, okay, you can use up the drag handle, but it won't be accurate. Alright, there comes the use of constraint. Okay, get into here, pick up the constraint option. You can fix up the constraint longitudinally, or you can pick up this line. There are two options for fixing up the constraints. One is right away from the face of the beam, or you can have the face of the cover. In order to convert this face of the beam right into face of the cover, I like to enable the check mark. And I know that the diameter of the stirrup is 10mm. I can give away -10. So that's how you'll be fixing up the constrainment right into here. All clear? Alright, afterwards, hitting the finish button. The same case right in here, you can have the edit constraint. Picking up this line, you can have -10. Alright, that's cool.